Happy Thursday morning, folks. Well, yesterday was a wake-up call that we're not quite out of the woods yet. We saw the markets across the board down over 1%. It's really the first big down day we've seen in probably, the last week and a half. So was a bit of a shock. Again, added some increased volatility to the markets. We saw the VIX jumping up to around 25. So it did provide some trading opportunities to the downside. This morning, we're seeing those markets rebound just a bit. Dow Jones up 125, S&P's up 20, Nasdaq up 80 or so. That's about 0.5%, anywhere from 0.4 to a 0.5% move higher in the pre. Also seeing the dollar rally against a basket of currencies on more hawkish Fed remarks coming out from multiple central bankers. And by hawkish, we mean saying that they're going to really get aggressive with rates and look to raise interest rates potentially more aggressively moving into the future. Oil, which has also been a big mover the past couple of days, very quiet in the overnight session. Right now trading flat at $115 a barrel in WTI. Not a lot on the data front other than the initial jobless claims this morning. So a lot of focus still on anything inflation related. So more commentary coming out of the Fed and or information coming out of Russia, Ukraine. So 2 trading days left in the week. Hope everybody's having a great week thus far. Let's get in there, trade some price action. Have a great day. I'll see you again tomorrow.